Hey guys, this is part 2 of the cross section of the plant. We gotta get into this quickly. Alright, so the first one is this the cytoplasm. It is this little round thing. You got one here. Let's show you. So you got one here, you got one here, you got one here, you got one here. Then the other side of the cell, you have one here, you have one here, you have one here. You can't see it, but I can't. No, I can't, but anyway, I've seen this picture many times. I know what this particular cell is. Um, so all cells are different. They are not always in the same place, except for the nucleus, this, and some of these. Um, and the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are always in the same place, 2 on 1, anyways. That is the material. So the material or protoplasm within the living cell, excluding the nucleus. Next one is the amyloplast. It's an original. It's really microscopic. I'll tell you that too. Found in plant cells. Amyloplasts are plastids that produce the store starch within internal membrane compartments. So that turns glucose into starch when it can't hold all of it. What's the next one? Centrosome. So it's an organelle near the nucleus of a cell, which contains the centrioles and animal cells. We're talking about plant cells, but it's okay. From which spindle fibers develop cell division. So this is like, the bone cuts things, separates things. And the rough ER, it's a wow. It's an original found in eukaryotic plant cells. It's the main function to produce proteins. It is made up of crystine, tubules, and vesicle. They're made up of flattened membrane discs, which are also involved in the modification of proteins. They are held together by the cytoskeleton. So I don't know if you can really see it, but it's held together by this stuff right here. Next one is the smooth ER. So it's an organelle found in both animal cells and plant cells. The organelle is a subunit within a plant that has a specialized function. The main function of the smooth ER is to make products, cellular products, like hormones and lipids. This kind of advanced stuff. If you're a kid in 7th grade, you'd probably be watching this if you're in 7th grade, especially at 3rd trimester, because this is when you start learning this stuff. Next one is the ribosomes, or ribosomes. They're pronounced very different ways. It's a minute particle consisting of RNA and associated proteins found in large numbers of the cytoplasms of the living cells. So they're blind messengers. This is cool. They're blind messengers of the RNA that transfer to the RNA. The RNA helps make DNA. It's like it's like the puzzle that makes something unique. To synthesize polypeptides and proteins. Next one we have here is the Golgi apparatus. That's hard to explain. All right, we're gonna call it the Golgi. A complex of vessels and folded membranes within the cytoplasm in the eukaryotic plant cells involved in the secretion and into cellular transport. That's a lot to say, but I know you guys can get it. Everyone's smart. Everyone can do it. It just may be a little hard. I don't blame you if you don't get it on your first try, but study for those tests, people. Study. I'll see you guys later.